Hey guys, welcome back. In this video we are going to see the syllabus of inverse trigonometric function and some basic concepts that we have to know before getting into the lesson. The syllabus is definition of range, domain, principal value branch, then graphs of inverse trigonometric functions. So this is the general basic syllabus that is released by CBSE, right? Now we will see some basic concepts of this lesson. From the next video we will step on to the examples and exercise problems. Now there are 6 trigonometric functions we know, that is sine, cos, tan, cot, cosecant, secant. For that each trigonometric function there is a specific range value that lies, that is for sine the range r is from -1 to 1 closed brackets, right? Then similarly for cos it is again -1 to 1. For tan it is x is equal to 2n plus 1 the whole into pi by 2, where n is an integer. Similarly for cot it is r, that is x is to x equal to n pi. Again n lies in integer, n is an integer. Similarly for cosecant it is x is to x, that is equal to again n pi, and for secant it is x is to x equal to 2n plus 1 the whole into pi by 2. You may note this over here, the secant and tan, the values of the range is same, right? This 2n plus 1 the whole into pi by 2. Again for secant it is 2n plus 1 the whole into pi by 2. What is the difference between these two? Just look it in the right side, that is for tan r lies between x is to x equal to 2n plus 1 the whole into pi by 2 comma n lies in z, right? It is an integer. That is again lies to r. Just simple, whatever the values from left the same to RHS. But in secant, look at r is x is to x is equal to 2n plus 1 the whole into pi by 2, where n lies in z and the r value is between -1 to 1. So these are the changes between tan and secant. Similarly for cosecant also, right? Cosecant and cot. Now what is the definition of domain, which we need to just look into it. The domain, that is nothing but the value. The domain value will be in real numbers. The definition of domain is nothing but set of all possible input values for which the function is defined. Set of all possible input values for which the function is defined. It is often represented as x. Similarly, what is the definition of range is set of all possible output values, that is usually represented as y. Domain is possible input values, range is possible set of output values, right? That is represented as x and the range is represented as y. What is the principal value branch? A specific restricted range within the overall range that ensures the inverse function is unique, right? The definitions may look complex, but when we start solving problems, that is find the principal value branch of the given functions, so that we will just, when we solve, we know what is the real meaning of it, right? So this is your general intro to the trigonometry, that is inverse trigonometric functions chapter according to your syllabus released in CBSE. The next video will start in depth with examples and exercise problems upcoming classes, right? Do subscribe my channel. Thank you.